Carrie here from Homestead How, and Emma and I are testing this out. It's from Force of Nature. And my chicken's making a bunch of noise back there, but I've been looking forward to this. It says on here, honor the animal, honor the earth. It's 100% grass-fed bison with bison liver and bison heart. This is the Ancestral Blend. So you have ground bison, bison liver, and bison heart all in one, regeneratively sourced. There's 23 grams of protein in here. This is 14 ounces. We got this from Force of Nature. I think we're gonna try this on the grill and maybe turn it into some patties. Wash my hands. So this is bison.
That looks good.
Looks really good. Bison, liver, and heart. All right, we're gonna throw these on the grill. These are looking good. That's yours.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so Emma, vegan Emma, turned carnivore, eating her first bison. She's never had bison before, and this has heart. It's the Ancestral Blend. Let's see what you think. And you have to be 100% honest.
Add some more salt because you can never have. Oh. Okay, ready?
Got some bees.
Oh my gosh. That's the most flavorous burger I've ever had.
Really? You have to be honest.
I am.
If I told you that was a burger, would you just think that's a burger, or would you think it's bison?
It tastes just like a burger. Like literally just like a burger.
Is it better or the same or worse?
It's better. There's so much flavor. Wait, this is bison, right?
It's bison.
Yeah, it literally tastes just like a burger.
But you're getting the organ meat in there, which has so many
way better.
nutrients in there. So you get liver and heart in there as well. So you're eating bison and liver and heart. The only problem is it's not as fatty as a lot of the meat that we should have. So I guess that's the only downside. But this company sells other ancestral blends that you can get. Emma's gonna eat this whole burger in like a minute. Bison burger. So what do you say? Honest review?
Amazing.
Okay, this is my first time trying this Ancestral Blend. I had bison once years ago and I kind of liked it. Oh, it's juicy. So you just cut it and you can see the juice coming up.
So much flavor.
It is very flavorful. That's the best way to describe it. I'm impressed. I didn't think it would taste this good. 100% honest, this is delicious. This is absolutely delicious. And if it was plain or blah, I would just tell you. I really am enjoying this and I'm gonna get more.
It tastes just like a normal burger, but it has much more flavor. If you just gave me this, I would have thought it was a burger.
Much more flavor than a regular burger, but the taste aside, the chicken's gonna ruin our whole video. The taste aside, it has liver and organ meat in it that is so good for you that we're not getting enough.
Hold on. Rue, stop! Anyways.
So it has those essential nutrients and things that you get in liver and heart that you wouldn't get otherwise, and it's delicious. This is one of the best burgers I've ever eaten. I'm not even lying. Really, it is. We had so many burgers, and I usually do this smash burger. This is one of the best burgers I've eaten.
Amazing.
So I told this company, send it to me, and I'll try it. And then maybe we'll be an affiliate if it's something I like and stand behind. I really like this and I stand behind it. So we're going to put an affiliate link below. I'm very wary about doing that. A bunch of companies have sent us stuff and we just said no because we didn't like it or we're not going to use it. But this one I really do like. So we have a link in the description below if you want to learn more. If you enjoy these videos with Carnivore Dad and Carnivore Daughters, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any. Here's a sneak peek from one I'm editing right now. The girls, Jen and I, went on a kayak adventure and we cooked up some meat and had a bunch of fun in this upcoming video. Are you having fun?